Only for today, my lord. I will access to your lordship tomorrow, my lord.
Versus today only, why not? We are asking you.
My lord,
It's a legal question.
yes, my lord, but
You're not challenging it.
I'm challenging it
Where have you challenged it?
by this writ application.
Have you prayed for question of this recovery order? The recovery of salary from his recovery, which is to be effected from his father,
My lord,
is being done from you.
my lord,
So you are challenging that recovery order,
my lord. That
or you are challenging only recovery made from your salary.
recovery made from my salary.
The original recovery you are not challenging.
No.
my lord, I am appealing on behalf of the state, my lord. Kindly accommodate me for today only, my lord. My file is misplaced. I have requested my learned friend to supply the copy here. Give me, my lord. Copy of the second.
Yeah.
Today my file is misplaced, my lord. Therefore, my lord, kindly accommodate me for today only, my lord.
Let us hear him first. Let us see what his case is.
Lordship.
His case is coming for the first time in the court. Yes.
Be pleased, your lordship. My lord, this case is, my lord, against different orders passed by the, my lord, department, by which, my lord, the petitioner was directed to get deducted 50% of his salary, for the amount which was defalcated by his father, who was earlier, my lord, Panchayat secretary.
This is by District Consumer Forum.
He is placed, my lord, posted.
Against that order, you can't come to the High Court.
He is posted with as LDC in the District Consumer Forum. Khagadia.
All right. Not as a, not on the judicial side.
No.
Okay.
My lord, he was appointed on compassionate ground after death of his father. And one of the ground mentioned, my lord, in paragraph.
The recovery of salary from his recovery, which is to be effected from his father,
My lord,
is being done from you.
my lord,
So you are challenging that recovery order,
my lord. That
or you are challenging only recovery made from your salary.
recovery made from my salary.
The original recovery you are not challenging.
No.
So recovery has to be done.
Then for that, my lord,
That you admit that recovery is to be made.
my lord, I have not neither admitted nor denied.
But you are not challenging it, huh?
Because, my lord,
Why should it not be done from you?
Because that was a, my lord, the defalcation or whatever has been done. That was my father, my lord.
Then?
On whose post, my lord, I have been appointed on compassionate ground.
That's another aspect that you have been appointed.
My lord,
so far as defalcation is concerned, that has been proved.
But there is a one judgment of this honorable court which says that can be done by a civil court in a properly
It can be done through PDR proceedings.
Then that
can be also done against you. And if you are already in government service, they can always take this action against you as a government servant.
But by different mode, my lord.
If the purpose served is actually done by a better method, why should it not be done?
My lord, because my lord,
it is just like this, that if the bank has you take some loan, and if that loan is not recovered, then the bank can always ask your employer to get that amount refunded through your salary.
There are 6, my lord, descendants, my lord, heirs, my lord, of late Sunil Kumar, my lord, my father. There are 3 sons, 2 daughters, and 1 wife. So it can't be done by my own.
No, anyone. You know it, Mr. Counsel.
By my salary, my lord. That is my ground.
That's your ground. All right.
Once he has taken benefit of past service of his father, my lord, then he has to bear the liability also.
There is a judgment of Honorable Mr. Justice Radha Mohan Prasad, my lord.
What does it say?
Reported in 2004, Volume 1.
Yes.
Is, my lord, page, my lord, 162. It says, my lord, service law recovery after death of government servant. Recovery is only permissible by getting a decree of civil court of competent jurisdiction, else it is violative of principle of natural justice and fair play, because it is not possible for the widow of the deceased employee to dispute such recovery on merit for want of proper opportunity. Instantly recovery after 1.5 years of the death of the employee, which the deceased was never informed.
Mr. Counsel, he expired in 2011.
Lordship.
2009. 7/11/2009. You have conducted inquiry and made recoveries in 2012. You're not challenging it.
I'm challenging it
Where have you challenged it?
by this writ application.
Have you prayed for question of this recovery order?
Lord, I kindly sing. This application is for my lord to pass memo number so and so dated 12/7/2012 issued by the learned district magistrate Khagaria, by which it was directed to different authorities of the district, including the chairman, district consumer forum Khagaria, treasury officer
Yes, challenge.
Khagaria.
What do you have to say? After death of the concerned person,
Yes,
how are you going to?
inquiry
How have you proved this charge
yes,
against him?
Inquiry cannot be conducted against dead person, my lord.
That is what you have done.
My lord, to kindly accommodate me, my lord, I have not with the
What
file.
accommodation is required here? Why should the state be accommodated when we don't accommodate anyone? 2013 matters, I am not accommodating.
Yes, my lord. Only for today, my lord. I will assist your lordship tomorrow, my lord.
You assist today only, why not? We are asking you.
My lord,
It's a legal question.
yes, my lord, but, my lord, petitioner has taken benefit of the past.
After he
of
took
his father.
benefit, he was appointed in
appointed on
2012.
compassionate ground.
After he was appointed, then you started proceedings of recovering amount against the embezzlement made by his father.
It is a,
Who has proved that embezzlement?
yes, my lord, certainly, my lord, inquiry cannot be conducted against dead person. It is,
Then,
I do agree with the lordship view, my lord.
that's true. Nothing further is required.
Probably counter
Have you
affidavit
brought
has-
some supporting judgment or something?
That is my lord.
That is, you are asking him to go to the civil court to get it recovery done.
My lord, if possible.
But recovery part you are agreeing to.
That I have challenged. Just I have read to you.
But then what is your argument relating to it? Against a dead person, recovery cannot be made any such judgment.
No, ऐसा तो नहीं.
लेकर आइए ऐसे नहीं. Put up for the petition one time. You just after 2 weeks.
oblige your lordship. Sir.
Item 33, Mr. Harsh Khandus.
Oblige your lordship.